With these rising COVID cases, concerns among healthcare workers are also rising. Fox 13 News reporter Spencer Joseph is at Intermountain Medical Center, where people there right on the front lines are worried there may be another large case spike.
A third COVID surge is something no one in the medical field wants to hear today, with our numbers trending in the wrong direction. Tonight I spoke with a registered nurse here at Intermountain Medical Center in Murray, and she shared how her and her co-workers feel after hearing the news.
Having it go back up is psychologically a nightmare.
The last 2 years of healthcare have been a struggle, with medical professionals facing obstacles no training could have ever prepared them for.
It's a psychological nightmare to live through. So it's hard to watch families choose to maybe let down their guard and their precautions a little bit.
This is Tammy Cokerhans, an RN at Intermountain Medical Center.
You can never unfeel doing compressions on somebody and trying to save their life while their family is on Zoom.
And upon hearing today's news that cases again are on the rise,
it's disheartening, honestly, to see the numbers going back up.
We have a major staff shortage in all of our hospitals.
Dr. Andrew Pavia is a doctor for both Intermountain as well as the University of Utah.
And right now, we're experiencing a lot of staff absenteeism due to people calling in with COVID. And that is really putting pressure on our ability to deliver care.
It's that lack of staff that, even in a minor surge, could cause serious problems.
During the peak of the pandemic, I was working 5 to 6 12-hour shifts a week. And I can no longer do that and be a good mother and be a good wife and take care of my family. Sorry. Just the thought of going back into that is extremely difficult, because I love being a nurse. I love taking care of people. I love watching people progress, but I can no longer sacrifice my life for that.
For Tammy, she's dealing with it how she can.
A lot of outside time. Actually, that sunlight is glorious. We live in a fabulous state.
So those on the front lines are asking,
together, we're powerful. We can do phenomenal things because I've seen us do it as a community and as a state. It works. It saves lives.
Doctors recognize that pretty much everybody has COVID fatigue right now, but going back to those basics and doing those things will keep all of us safe. In Murray, Spencer Joseph, Fox 13 News, Utah.